Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. How are you doing? Hope the things are going well. Anyway, we are discussing about management, principles of management. I gave you the introduction in the last class. Today we'll see few more topics related to the management. One is objectives of management, another one is that significance or importance of the management. These two will give you more clarity about any organization management. You know, mainly when we talk about the objectives, main objective of any organization is that earning profit, isn't it? Earning profit and also smooth running of the organization. These two are the main objectives. If these two are going well, then no problem at all, organization is going to be a successful organization because of the functions or objectives or work of the management. They are managing everything, right? So, in depth we will see what are the objectives apart from profit maximization and also smooth running of the organization. What else we can find objectives? 4 objectives are the main objectives. First thing is that proper utilization of resources. Company is having a lot of resources. That utilization of the resources is the main objective of any management. If we can utilize these sources properly, then no doubt at all it's going towards the progress of the organization. What kind of resources? The first resource is here men, means people who are working in the organization. Men, material which is used for the organization production, okay, material, what material we are using it. Money, where we are getting the money, are we utilizing it properly or not. In the same way, machines, what kind of machines we are buying it. These 4 M's, men, material, money, machines. These 4 M's, if you can handle it, excellent at all. If you see it, men means how many employees are there, are they working properly or not. Any kind of technology changes to be upgraded with the man skills, that comes under the men. Material, which material we are buying it, what is the cost, how can we minimize the material cost, and how can we get quality of material. So this is under the material. Money, what kind of money how much money we required, from where we are getting the money, are we utilizing it properly or not. In the same way, machines in the sense equipments, furniture, everything comes under this. How much is required, are we buying it, are we utilizing it properly, are we wasting it, overspending, anything is there. So these are all things, these 4 M's comes under the proper utilization of resources. Are you able to remember? Men, material, money and machines, 4 M's. And if proper utilization of these resources are over, next function or objective is that improving performance. Improving the performance of the employees. Total organization performance you can say, or employees performance you can say, organization activities performance you can say. How can we improve the organization performance? By earning profit. How do we earn the profit? By selling more goods. How can we sell the goods more? When we keep the price at low. And how can we keep the price low? When cost is less. Cost is less, we can sell it at the proper rate. If we can sell at proper rate, then automatically we get sales more. When we get sales more, automatically profit. Interlinked. Did you observe that? So that is we call it as improving performance. If we improve our performance from every activity's point of view, you better to segregate the performance in department wise, rather than focusing how organization is working, who's performing well. Rather than that, department wise segregate it and see, say sales department, purchase department, finance department, HR department. Like department wise, if you have control, department wise the management or middle management, if they are good, automatically the performance of the organization will be good. To get a good performance, what is needed? One simple thing. Can you tell me that? Yes, planning. Proper planning by the management. If they have proper planning, then automatically half of the work is done, rest of the half is just to implement it. That's it. That's about the improving the performance. And next, third one is that mobilizing best talent. Mobilizing best talent. Talent of whose? Employees. There are some employees in the organization whose talent is very high and they have a very good technological skills, organizing skills. If you just motivate them, if you give them some perquisites, if you give them any kind of extra benefit, fringe benefits we say, and recognize them, that's automatically it is going to motivate those employees. So that is why you need to focus on the mobilization of the best talent. Identify the talent of the employees and extract it, motivate them and give them some benefits so that they'll be very happy to work with the organization. So in that way you have to motivate the talent, high good talent of the employees. Last one is that planning for future. Must. Without planning there is no work at all. So a proper planning, if you do it, automatically future will be proper, good, no doubt at all. Just we need to implement once if the planning is over. These are the main objectives. Able to remember? First one is the proper utilization of the resources. Then improving the performance and mobilizing the best talent and the planning for future. Simple 4 objectives. Now we'll say significance or importance of management. This is also very much important. You get a command about command over the management subject if you follow these topics. You need to have this strong basics of this management. Okay. So the importance of significance. First thing is that achievement of group objectives. Who will handle this group objectives? Obviously the management only. If you want to take all the group activities, group objectives towards the organization objectives, then management is the only person where they can handle this group objectives. Every group give them some target, handle them, and then just keep an eye. How is the performance? Any kind of changes are required? All these things continuously when you focus, when you are taking your different steps, automatically group objectives will be going to be organization objectives. That is why achievement of group objectives, it is one of the important significance of the management. And second one is that optimum utilization of resources. Utilization of the resources, as we have discussed in the objectives. In objectives only we have discussed utilization of the resources. Here also it comes importance of the management. Here when we talk about utilization of resources, we can say it as a what are the resources means land, labor, capital and organization. Land. If we have a land, if we are taking on lease basis or rental basis, so that land utilization is proper or not. Shall we buy or shall we take it on lease? So that's about the land. And labor, men, employees, capital, money, there we have discussed the same thing, right? So in the same way, organization. All together utilizing these resources. If you want, you can write same one also, men, material, money and machine also you can write it over, that it doesn't matter. Okay. So that utilization of the sources, it is also one of the importance or significance of the any management. Next one is that minimization of cost. Cost should be always less. Which cost? Product cost. If the cost is less, automatically consumers are willing to buy the product. You can attract all kind of consumers who are in the society, like high class, middle class, low class, all these people will be showing their interest to buy the product. How can we decrease the cost? Just now I told you. Decreasing the cost is mainly depending on the cost of the material. Material cost, labor cost and overheads. These three where we can control it, automatically cost will come down. When cost is down, automatically sales will be more. So this is also one of the significance of the management, that minimization of the cost. Next, increased profits. Profits we have to increase. If no profits, no organization at all. Simply earning the same profit, it's very difficult to retain the employees. It's very difficult to survive in the organization. So that is why what is the importance is that always increase the profits. Your ambition, your focus should be always, I want to increase the profit. For this also once again planning. So last year we got a profit of 20 crores. This year we are expecting 30 crores, 40 crores. What is your strategy towards that profit earning? So that's we say it as increased profits. Next one, smooth running of business. Always organization has to run smoothly. There should not be any kind of disturbances. It may be from the money point of view, means capital is not sufficient, we need more money. From that point of view, or the employees, scarcity of the skilled employees, that could be one problem. And also organization activities, production, or competition from the outsiders, or other products, competition, new technology they are using, we are not using it, then we need to be very careful. So like whatever is there, all these things are going to make difference in the smooth running of the organization. From every angle you have to be very careful for smooth running of the organization. Next one is that it provides the innovation. Innovation means technology is changing, new methodologies are coming. Still if we are going in the old passion, old technology, consumers we are going to lose. The addicted consumers will be changing our product to another product. So that is why always management has to focus on the innovative new ideas. In the same way, change of growth. Every time organization growth will be changing. How it is going to change the growth? When we follow the market changes, when we follow the customer requirements, when we follow the change in the taste of the consumer. Taste in the sense not this taste, their likes. So where they are going towards fashion, technology, and new trends. So all these things we have to focus. Then you have to follow according to that. Keep on change. Old methodology, old technology is not going to work out in this present cutthroat competitive world. Remember this, okay? And meeting social obligations. Socially also we have to do a lot, organization has to do. So what kind of things? First thing is that management or any organization is related to the social welfare by giving products at cheap rate, by giving quality products and giving employment, and also raising the funds and tax benefits, tax and all these things are paying to the government. In that way it is a social responsibility is also completing by the management. That's we say it as meeting social obligations. And last point is that special importance of management in India's developing economy. See, India's development organization point of view, industry point of view, it's developing country. Now towards from developing country to we wanted to reach to the developed country. It's almost very much near we are because of the industries. If management is proper in every organization, they are going to earn the profit. When they get the profit, when they give the good employment, when they give the tax benefits, when they develop the standard of the people, automatically growth is quite fast. Quite quickly it will have a growth. That is why in India's development, economic development, it is depending on the management. So these are the main significance or the importance of the management. Take a screenshot or note down. By the way, did you check that playlist? Many subjects which already covered, whatever may be the course you are doing, either CA, CS, CMA, BCom, BBA, MBA, or intermediate 11th and 12th classes, whatever may be your course, definitely our channel will be helpful for you. And please do refer these videos to the others, share these videos and support our channel. Thank you for all your affection. Have a wonderful career. Practice well daily. Good luck.